Hello, in this video we're going to be turning fractions into decimal numbers. We're going to be writing each fraction as a decimal number. When we look at this fraction, it says 34 hundredths. And if you remember this right here, the mat, you know that each one of these little squared units is 1/100th. So the whole is made up, one whole is made up of 100 hundredths. 100 of those. So looking at this, that means we have 34 of these. That means 1, 2, 3 strips, which are tenths, 3 tenths, and 4 little ones, 4 hundredths. In total, we have 34 hundredths, 3 tenths, and then hundredths. But we can't forget our decimal right here. So that means that right after the decimal we have tenths and then hundredths. And that's how we read it. 34 hundredths. 34 over 100. And looking at this one, 2 tenths. We just go to the tenths place, which is 2. And that's it. 2 strips of hundredths, of 10 hundredths. You could call this 2 tenths, and you could also say an equivalent fraction would be 20 hundredths, but we'll talk about that later. Then 73 hundredths. We have 7 tenths and 3 hundredths for a total of 73 hundredths, or 7 strips and 3 hundredths. Alright, hope this video helped, and we'll continue practicing turning fractions into decimal numbers. So now we're looking at some examples on the table. Let's check and see if these are all correct. So there we have 73 hundredths, 7 tenths, and 3 hundredths, 73 hundredths. If a number ended here, if it was like this, that would be only 7, and this is the tenths position, so 7 tenths. So let's say it was this, it would be 7 tenths.